see, I asked for customer service in the photo lab, but you know this Walmart, right? So I immediately asked if it was going to be one of those customer needs assistance, then wait for 20 minutes. And they didn't know.
Let me tell you what I did one day. She sent me up here to the material to get 2 yards of yellow material. She was sewing quilts in those days. And I waited 5 minutes. I looked around, didn't see nothing. Went to the service desk. They called. I come back. I waited another 5 minutes. I went back to the service desk with a broom. And I said, I'm fixing to start beating on those security camera bulbs up there. I bet I get attention then. There was a lady back here when I got back here.